Hi, my name is Lito. Today we are on the PMU conference, Wulop USA.
Wulop USA!
Now we're trying all the machines that existed in this brand, and I'm constantly confused because I like 3 machines. So for
Which
now,
machine you like?
I like the new Bill Air, the newest one. I like the mini one, and I like the biggest one, the Flux. So for me, since I'm a tattoo artist as well, for me it's good to work with a heavy machine actually.
Yeah, because you're professional.
Thank you. So I'm thinking about this one for now, or maybe this one.
There should be a marable. One marable? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, long stroke, like this one is great. Trying out the card of baby.
Do you like this machine?
Yes, I very like this machine. I have Flux Max. I work with this machine at home, but now I will try another strokes. She is amazing. I very like work with this machine. Usually I use this machine for eyebrows and for eyeline. She is amazing. I very like it.
Do you have me to turn on?
Yeah.
Дорогие перманентщики, удачи
Бешат.
вам, отличные процедуры. Не могу дождаться презентации. Удачи!
Houston, Texas. Hi. Yeah, Houston, Texas. It's my dream. It's on a lake. It's lakefront. It's 5 bedrooms.
That's why everything changed, in my opinion, the state in the United States. Before that, we were from $40,000, $4,000 on Wulop machines. Now they're like machines aside from that video machine made for some of the makeup artists. Then after that, came on the scene and said, you know what, we're creating the best machines for the best artists, and everything changed. We love Gaston and Louis Siciliano. We love the Food and Flow line. We really love their machines. And right now, they have a new Bella Air, and it's Bella Air at cordless machine.
Hello.
Explain yourself a little bit
Which
about
machine do you use?
I use
And needles?
I use water-rest needles for the first and second pass.
Thank you.
nothing. It is like hair. It is beautiful. It matches my outfit, so maybe I won't return it, but of course I will, I promise. And what I love about them is they've taken cordless to another level. So there's other companies that create cordless power supplies, and my remote does, they also have cordless power supply. But now they're creating cordless power supply.
Hi, today's procedure eyeliner with color shading. We will use 3 colors, black, brown and green.
And which machine you use it?
I use Must B20, just simple machine, and the battery
Thank you.
Gaston is a engineering genius. All their products are high level elite. I mean, they truly are. And I'm speaking as an artist right now. I'm not speaking as the MC. I'm speaking as the artist. Every product that they manufacture is, just hits it out of the ballpark. And this is your latest and greatest baby, yes? This is one of their latest and greatest. What is this one? Oh, this is the Plus Estimate. It's still lies another. They make it
Манжеты, девочки, смотрите, я все время добавляю одну платформу. Не больше всего.
Hello, beautiful. Which machine do you use? Which machine do you use?
Зеленый.
This will be microblading.
lamination effect.
I see. Wow.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for me.
Hello. Hello.
Какой им будет работать? Вверх. Какой диаметр?
0,20. Я не люблю толстые иглы, за исключением последнего прохода.
Which machine do you use?
I use Flex S Microbiome.
Длинноход?
Нет, это 3,2.
you use?
This is a plus mat.
And the needle?
This is a Quadron 1RL 0.35.
Thank you.
Which had very limited configuration. I'm being very transparent because as artists we have to be transparent. How do we learn and share this information with each other, right? This machine came on the scene. Who is this? Yes, who is this Wulop? She's a super. What is she doing?
Как ваши дела?
Hello, beautiful.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Анастасия, у меня Feel Better Now. Feel Better Now. Я ее даю немножечко, прям как без пленки, чуть-чуть, вот так. Смотрите, у меня уже первый проход сделан, и во втором проходе я только буду работать в апексе. И что такое апекс? Это когда у вас не все переходы цвета тень, получение цвета тень. Получается, у меня уже все это есть, я буду добавить тень. Во второй проход я могу дать темный пигмент, например, темнее, чем был до, так как я подготовила темную подложку. Сейчас
What machine do you use?
Acciones, micro.
What machine do you use?
What do I use? What?
Machine?
Oh, the machine is a flux mini.
And the needle?
Yes.
And the needle?
And the needle is Quadron 30, 35. You can do 30, 35. 1 RL, long taper, single point.
Thank you so much. Hello, beautiful.
Hi. Oh, hi, Mary. How's it going?
Very good.
Very good. Good to see you, Mary.
Good job. Hello. Which machine do you use? This is Flux S. Max. And the needle?
Quadron.
Quadron. Hello. Wow. Color of your machine amazing. What is this?
What color?
What machine do you use?
Oh, Zion S. The best.
Yeah. You will see you on YouTube. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Which machine do you use?
We're using Xeon Zion S. Zion S.
Beautiful.
can get a free gift. Hold on.
So our new bags, they have chicken meat, versus noodles, 100
Hello, beautiful.
Hi.
This is a lips.
Yes, with lips, very natural.
This is our latest technologies. This is the smallest machine in the industry, wireless. The bar air offers 2.1 and 3 millimeter strokes, and it can start implanting the pigment on 4 volts and a long-lasting battery. We believe that for every hand you need a different tool. Also for different keys, you can have a different tool and you just can make your life easier. For me, ideally, I need to use a short stroke machine like the Wulop Air 1 and hybrid or longer stroke machine like Flux S or Flux Max.
Today is just the results of it, so enjoy this moment.